Welcome to the Higashi Fuji Sanso. 2,000 meters above sea level, it's located at the 5th station on the Subashiri Trail, at the very beginning of the hike. The Subashiri Trail is marked as red on the signposts. Check-in time is from 4 to 7:30 p.m. Upon arrival, give the full name that the reservation was made under. The staff will ask if you have any dietary requirements. After check-in, the staff will take you to the sleeping quarters, which are located on the 2nd floor. At the Higashi Fuji Sanso, sheets, pillows and futon are all provided. Lights out is at 9 p.m. Toilets are free for guests staying the night and are also located on the 2nd floor. There is a bin for toilet paper and sanitary products. Dinner is served from 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. and is a course menu made with local and seasonal ingredients. Vegetarian food is available upon request. You can also purchase soft drinks, alcohol and snacks at the shop located next to the dining area between the hours of 4:30 a.m. till 9 p.m. Some hikers purchase a souvenir stick called gongoze, which you can get stamped at some stations. You can purchase the stick and get it stamped at the hut from 4:30 a.m. all the way up until 9 p.m. If you are climbing for sunrise, there is a packed breakfast consisting of rice balls. For guests with a later start, breakfast can be enjoyed at the hut, served after 4:30 a.m. Just make sure to check out by 8 a.m. It takes 6 to 7 hours to reach the summit from the hut.